You're a business person looking to go into tech, or you're just someone that is looking to go into tech, you do not have any professional experience and you're looking for a way to build your resume, then watch this video. So I've seen a lot of business owners that really want to go into tech, but they feel that they don't have the professional experience to build up their CV, you get, so they are confused, they don't really know how to go about it, and this has slowed down their transition into tech. Some want to transition into tech fully, while some want to be doing some tech gigs while they also keep their businesses. Even if you're not a business owner and you're someone that is looking to go into tech, then this video is for you. A business owner looking to go into tech with no professional experience or background, there are 3 ways that you can use to build your resume. The first one is, as a business owner, you already have an experience. Do you get? So you can build your resume using your own business. Being a business owner, you're wearing so many hats. You're the customer service agent, you're offering customer support, you're doing customer onboarding. Do you get? You're doing sales, you're doing marketing, you're your own product developer, you're your own designer, and a lot of things. So as a business owner, especially a solo business owner, you already have an experience. To ChatGPT, explain to ChatGPT actually what you do and what you want ChatGPT to do for you. Tell ChatGPT that you're a business owner, whether you're a service business owner or a product business owner, so whichever one. Shall just tell ChatGPT the business that you're doing and all the roles you have been doing in that business. Ask ChatGPT to write a resume for you that fits into the role that you are applying based on your experience. ChatGPT will make you a very good resume. Then you proceed to add some human touch. Do not just leave it all AI generated. So do some corrections or do some touchings, replace some words. So number 2 is by volunteering. So even if you do not have any experience at all, any professional experience or background, you can volunteer to help business owners to do some certain tasks. By this way, you are also gaining experience and use this to build your resume. Okay, so number 3 and the last is building project, that is hypothetical projects. So in this particular one now, you build projects for imaginary companies. For this one, you do not even need to have worked elsewhere or maybe have some kind of professional experience or background before doing this one. You can just go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to suggest for you 3 or 4 projects that someone that wants to go into customer service role can actually. And for building the project, I know you will say, okay, some of the tools I do not know it. Also use ChatGPT as your learning body. You see, ChatGPT can do a lot of things. So many courses I've learned, like if I'm stuck somewhere, I go to ChatGPT and make ChatGPT my learning body. So whichever tool, whichever software, or whichever thing at all that you want to build, tell ChatGPT to give you a step-by-step on how you're going to do it. Even if ChatGPT gives you the step-by-step, you still need to go to that particular software or tool to practice it. That step-by-step that ChatGPT has given to you. So you go to the software, click on sign up, and start practicing it. Anywhere you're stuck, ChatGPT will guide you, and before you know it, you start learning how to use these tools and softwares. These days, you use your hand to manufacture your own experience. That is the way people are doing it out there. So do not try to be more Catholic than the Pope. Join the bandwagon. Whatever they're doing that is working for them, do it. So guys, that is it for this video. Like I said, I just feel to drop this video because I've seen a lot of questions on several posts: Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. If you're a business owner, use your business to generate your own experience. So if you're not a business owner, you can use number 2 and 3. Even as a business owner, you can do the 3. You can use your own business for your experience. Then the next one, you offer free service to maybe a friend of yours that is into another business as well. The third one, you can also proceed to build hypothetical projects and use it to build your resume and portfolio as well. So guys, that is it for this video. See you in my next video. Bye.